Well, good morning. Well, morning here when I'm filming this, at least. Maybe not morning for when I post it or you view it. I'm going to be looking at the JanSport Equinox 40-liter bag. This bag is the one going to be sending to the Philippines. You may have already seen the other video that I posted where I went over some of the gear that I'm putting into it to send it out over to the Philippines. That's going to supplement and replace some of the stuff I've already sent. Well, I decided to load it up with that gear and go for a hike before I actually do send it out. So today we're just going to look over the pack because you've already seen what's inside of it. So today's hike has been about a 2.5 mile hike. So enough to get, I'd say, an okay feel for the pack. So here is a closer look at the JanSport Equinox 40-liter. It is in this blue. The zipper pulls do have, do have these ties on it. It's got this, the front pouch there, grab handles on each side. Another storage compartment there. Your main one here, which I would open up, but it has all the stuff that I don't want to take out. Your main grab handle there. It has these additional storage pouches on the side, along with your mesh pouches for your water bottles, if you want to keep them on the outside or whatever else you need. Also has your cinch down ties, or cinches should I say, because they're not actual ties. On your back, this is an internal frame. On your back, you do have this mesh that gives you a little spacing for a little ventilation, not much, but a little bit. Of course, you've got your hip belt there. It's meshed as well, and of course adjustable. You also, on your shoulder straps, they are S-shaped for a little bit of comfort with your shoulder straps. Couple of attachment points, load lifters, which are awesome, and up top, hydration pass through, because this does have a sleeve and tie for your hydration bladder, which is something I'm also bringing to the Philippines as well. Now, for my last video, I said I was going to put the neon paracord on it to make it stand out more. I haven't done that yet. I am going to get to do that before I do send it out, though, so don't worry, that is coming. I will try to insert a picture of that into this video before I post it, so you can take a look at that probably, I don't know, maybe right about now. So that's what it looks like. Hope it's not too crazy. And so far this ride's okay. I purchased this bag myself. I do like JanSports. They are kind of comfortable. I mean, they're not always the top of the line bags out there, but I do find them comfortable, pretty durable. I still have the one from 25 years ago or so when I was in high school, still going strong. Plus, as of this recording, they had a lifetime guarantee on it, so that's always great. So I've always had that one. I've been purchasing them for my daughters for their school backpacks. They like to get a new one each year, and I always figured, hey, they're nice to have as day packs or go bags, or just hey, if you need a backpack real quick, just something to grab. So they're nice to keep around. And of course, as you've seen, I have all these other tons of backpacks, but I always like holding on to the JanSports for sure. Doesn't mean, you know, the top brand out there. Doesn't mean they're, of course, by that statement, doesn't mean they're the bottom brand at all either. I mean, they're you know, I'd say overall, you know, they're a solid brand. Not always the lightest, but you know, overall, you know, they're good. I'd say they're pretty good for the price and good for the quality. And of course, they stand by their work, so with their guarantees. So you know, that's always a plus. So I'm gonna head back out and you know, finish the trail and go, you know, gonna go get outside. Oh, and I forgot to say, for the people that are counting, it's not ultralight, but is 2.9 pounds unloaded. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.